Hi guys, motorcycle racing boots are a type of footwear designed specifically for motorcyclists who engage in racing or high-performance riding. These boots offer a high level of protection, support, and comfort for the rider's feet and ankles. Some of the features that distinguish racing boots from regular motorcycle boots include 1. Protection. Racing boots typically have reinforced toe boxes, ankle protection, and shin protection. They are designed to protect the rider's feet and lower legs from impacts and abrasions in the event of a crash. 2. Support. Racing boots often have a tall shaft that provides support to the rider's ankles. This helps to prevent ankle injuries and provides added stability when riding at high speeds. 3. Grip. Racing boots have soles that are designed to provide excellent grip and traction on the motorcycle's foot pegs. This helps the rider to maintain control of the motorcycle during acceleration, braking, and cornering. So, let's get started. Number 10. Motorcycle riding boots waterproof PU leather. This boots is here with the 28% price off. Now you can get it at around $80. Features of this boot are new, 100% new. Material, superfiber leather. Lining material, 100% nylon. Sole material, rubber. Color, black. High-speed ventilation system. Double TPU injection anti-shock buffer design shin protection. Ankle anti-collision protection system. High abrasion nylon zippers and Velcro elastic adjustment, more convenient to wear and remove. Novel rotary elastic regulating device, convenient to adjust and comfortable to wear non-slip shift design. The next is Number 9. Men motorcycle racing boots. This racing boots is here with the 34% price off. Now you can get it at around $59. The top layer is constructed of microfiber material. It enhances flexibility and does not damage easily. The polyurethane safeguards the product from hazards created by water and makes it more durable. Bright silicone padding for long-term relaxation and shock absorption on ankles and neck. Specially crafted compound sole guarantees superior endurance for ATV and Enduro riders. Medial side panel TPU integrates an innovative insert of honeycomb rubber and is designed for excellent grip against the bike while defending against impact. Redesigned construction of instep and Achilles accordion flex zones for superior comfort, control, and support. Clear silicone padding for long-term support and shock resistance on ankles and neck. The next is Number 8. Duhan motorcycle boots racing shoes. This boots is here with the 45% price off. Now you can get it at around $81. Features of this boots: upper, high-tech microfiber, breathable, and high wear resistant, wider padded front and rear area offering better comfort and flexibility. Lining, quick drying polyamide. Reinforcements, shock absorber structure made of polyurethane, strategically positioned in ankle, tibia, and heel protection. Footbed, durable and breathable. Sole, monocompound natural rubber sole offers excellent grip and allows for natural flex. Ventilated and ventilated thick mesh design with comfortable lining and rejecting hot stuffiness. Specifications: brand, Duhan. Color black, green, white. The next is Number 7. Bodus Motocross Men Kids Motorboats. This motorboats is here with the 47% price off. Now you can get it at around $175. This motorboat's traveling ballistic boots are likely to match beautifully. These have heavy-duty lightweight leather designs that are both sturdy and water-resistant and provide armor in the feet and shin, knee, foot, heel, and gearshift areas with adequate strengthening. This motorboat's traveling footwear is convenient, durable, and function-built to perform, with such a low-profile toe box and the no-slip bonded heel. With panels that are reflective at the back and sides, the gearshift is reinforced. The zipper provides adequate space to slip the feet in with a few sections bearing a double stitch as the strain is more there. The product weighs only 2 kgs and is designed for street sport bikes. The next is Number 6. Fashion Motocross Boots Enduro Boot. This boots is here with the 48% price off. Now you can get it at around $125. Designed to the quality of a class racing shoe but priced at an entry-level size, Fashion Motocross Boots Element Boot literally cannot be beaten for total performance and elegance. Their attachable buckle fastening system, coupled with the high-grade injection molding protective panels, and legitimate and artificial leather support make the Element boots a deserving entry-level motorcyclist high-end partner. Fashion Motocross Boots manufactures bicycle and bike equipment, components, clothing, and accessories that give utter full convenience, price, and safety while you travel. After 40+ years of driving, you can trust consistency and security. Aluminum shank insert strengthens boot structure and provides protection, simple to work, snap-lock flexible for buckle closing mechanism, durable Goodyear World sole is perfectly positioned with no shaky rocking, aluminum toe guard to prevent the sole from delaminating, medium grip sole is perfect for mountain, trail and ATV users, air meshes inside, generous space for heel support. The next is Number 5, B1001 Motorcycle Racing Boots. This racing boots is here with the 44% price off. Now you can get it at around $70. Features of this boots are 2.0 wear-resistant superfiber leather, toughness and the solid is 2-fold leather. 2. Wear-resistant anti-skid design shift. 3. Anti-collision device special materials, effective security protective. 4. Novel elastic conditioning, easy to wear. 5. Ventilation design guarantee the riding comfort. Material, upper material, PU. Lining material, mesh. Sole material, rubber. Product name, motorcycle boots. Brand name, Pro Biker Speed Bikers. Material, microfiber leather plus mesh. Model number, B1001, new, 100% new. Features, waterproof, anti-collision, elastic conditioning, wear-resistant. Season, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Color, black, red, white. The next is Number 4, Alien Snail Knob Adjustment Motorcycle Shoes. This shoes is here with the 54% price off. Now you can get it at around $106. Features of this shoes, knob design, automatic adjustment, it is more convenient and quick to release the traditional shoelace restraint. The boots are made of waterproof cow leather, rubber, and strong cotton. They are durable and waterproof. Built-in TPU and ankle crash protection system for improved protection. The toe cap has durable material, anti-abrasion, and non-slip rubber sole boots. According to customer reviews, these shoes offer good value for money and are comfortable to wear on long rides. The knob adjustment system has been praised for its ease of use and effectiveness in keeping the shoes securely in place. However, some customers have noted that the sizing can be a bit off, so it's important to consult the size chart carefully before ordering. Additionally, while the shoes are advertised as waterproof, some reviewers have reported that they are not completely waterproof and can get damp in heavy rain. Overall, the Alien Snail Knob Adjustment motorcycle shoes appear to be a solid choice for riders looking for a stylish and functional pair of motorcycle shoes. The next is Number 3, ARCX Motorcycle Boots Men Moto Riding Boots. This boots is here with the 47% price off. Now you can get it at around $54. Feature of this boots, upper adopt genuine cow suede leather and BK mesh cloth, high wear resistant, offering excellent comfort and flexibility. Breathable mesh lining to keep feet dry and comfortable on long wet walks. Adopt 2 closure system with hook and loop and laces, provides good comfortable and secure fit. Reinforced protection on the toe cap, heel and ankles, provides excellent support and security protective. Shaft measures approximately 18 cm from arch. Natural rubber sole offers excellent grip of non-slip and allows for natural flex. Gear shift panel offers perfect grip and handling. The next is Number 2, Pro Biker Speed Bikers Motorcycle Boots. This boots is here with the 48% price off. Now you can get it at around $65. Features of this boots, this is a set of racing boots, as one function of vehicle. High-quality rubber soles, anti-collision device special materials, effectively security protection of riding. 2.0 wear-resistant superfiber leather, toughness and the solid is 2-fold leather. Wear-resistant anti-skid design shift, anti-collision device special materials, effective security protection, novel elastic conditioning, easy to wear, ventilation design guarantee the riding comfort, magic ankle adjustment, reflective wear-off belt, with highlight reflective texture article, easy to ride at night, a rainy day. Function, waterproof, anti-collision, elastic conditioning, wear resistant. Season to spring, summer, autumn, winter, the next is. Number 1, SCOYCO Motorcycle Boots Bodus Moto Microfiber Leather. This motorcycle boots is here with the 46% price off. Now you can get it at around $71. Features of this boots: upper, high-tech microfiber leather, breathable, and high wear resistant, wider padded front and rear area offering better comfort and flexibility. Non-slip pattern of play block can actually finish playing files action between the high-speed movements. Lining, quick-drying polyamide. Reinforcements, shock absorber structure made of polyurethane, strategically positioned in ankle, tibia, and heel protection. Closure, elastic strap. Footbed, durable and breathable. Sole, monocompound natural rubber sole offers excellent grip and allows for natural flex, so this is the best option for you to buy.